Hi everybody, this is Larry from MarineMax, and today we're going to talk about this 2024 Scout 251 XSS. This is a 25-foot bay boat that's loaded with features, high performance, and really has a lot of creature comforts for the family. Let's start at the back of the boat where we see the Mercury 300 horsepower V8 engine that is on a jack plate. So it's a electric jack plate to help you get in some shallower water or just help you pick up some more speed. As far as creature comfort, the rear casting platform folds up and we've got bench seating all the way across the boat with live wells in the center and on the port side underneath, and dry storage underneath the starboard side. When they're closed down, you've got a nice heavy-duty casting platform. It's a really great boat if you're fishing inshore and you want to have someone off the back of the boat fishing. The leaning post has flip-up bolsters, so when you're behind the wheel, you've got a little bit of a backrest. There's plenty of room here. Adjustable steering, power steering with the 300 V8, and fly-by-wire controls, electronic shift. Really nice feature. If you want to sit up on the seat, the bolsters flip down, make a nice seat. And you've got a nice cooler underneath, very clean, efficient helm. Up here we've got a Garmin GPS sonar screen built in. We've got aircraft quality waterproof switches on the dashboard. And what's nice is we've got a 3-piece glass enclosure here with a vent at the top to let some air in, but it keeps you protected in inclement weather as well. Up in the hardtop, we've got some more light switches, lighting underneath the hardtop, and some storage as well. As we move forward to the bow, we're going to take a look at the seating up here. We've got great lounge seating with removable backrests at the bow, a removable casting platform insert with a cushion that you can lounge out on. There's also a table base which stores here in the head compartment that you can lift this up and make it a table as well. There's rod storage underneath the seats. You can put up to 7-foot rods in here. Great to keep your gear stowed and out of the way. Let's take a quick look at the head compartment where you've got a porta potty and storage for your table base down below. This is a pretty roomy area. If you'd like to take a sea trial on this boat, give me a call at 904-545-5310. We'll help you get out on the water. Thanks again.